Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Slack for client communications. If you're working with clients, freelancers, agencies or consultants, Slack can be an excellent way to keep communication professional, fast and organized. Now in this video tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to use Slack to communicate effectively with your clients. Let's start by following these few simple steps. The first step is to create a dedicated Slack workspace. Now, if you work with multiple clients, keep them in a separate workspace or channels. And you can do that on your mobile device or on desktop. On desktop, you're gonna have to log in with your web browser to slack.com and sign in using your account's credentials and click on create a new workspace. Now on your mobile phone, just go here and click on the box on the left side, top left side, click on it, and then click on the option in the bottom that says add a workspace. And here you're gonna name your workspace, click on create a new workspace, use your Gmail to create that workspace, and here you're gonna enter the name of the workspace. You can name it anything you want. And click on next. After that, you're gonna choose how to invite people. You can skip this part and add people after. You can share a link, you can add them from contacts, or you can add by email. Now I'm gonna skip, and you can choose what's the project your team is working on here, and that's it. That you created a channel. Click on see your channel here. Now the second step is to invite clients. You can click on your workspace name and invite people by sending them an email invite or link, and be sure to explain how Slack works if they're new to it. Let's see the channel, the workspace we just created, and you can add a description describing the workspace, so it makes it easier for the clients to understand the purpose of the channel and the workspace. And you can add people also here if you want to add people after creating the workspace. The third step is to set clear communication rules. Pin messages with guidelines or project updates, and create dedicated channels for general project updates and assets. And use threads to avoid cluttering the conversation. You can also share files, links, and Google Docs by clicking on the plus button right here. And you'll see all these options to share or upload files, photos, etc. You can also mention clients, and you can also set status and availability. Let clients know when you're working or offline, for example in a meeting or working on your project now. And that's it. Using Slack with clients makes communication smoother, more efficient and organized. It replaces email chains and helps you build strong professional relationships. Remember to keep a backup of key discussions in a project management tool like Notion or Trello. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave comments below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.